Our kidneys are among the most vital organs in the body, responsible for filtering toxins, regulating blood pressure, balancing electrolytes, and producing essential hormones. They also play a crucial role in maintaining the overall health of the body by eliminating waste products from the blood. Unfortunately, the kidneys can be vulnerable to damage from various factors such as poor diet, dehydration, medications, and underlying medical conditions like diabetes and hypertension. When kidney function begins to decline, it can lead to chronic kidney disease, CKD, which can progress to kidney failure if left untreated. However, adopting a kidney-friendly diet that includes foods with healing properties can help slow down the progression of kidney disease and even repair kidney function. In this video, we'll explore the top 9 foods that have been shown to help repair and protect your kidneys. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet can play an essential role in maintaining kidney health and improving their function over time. 9. Red bell peppers, packed with antioxidants. Red bell peppers are an incredibly kidney-friendly food, loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These peppers are especially rich in vitamin C, which has been shown to reduce the levels of free radicals in the body, damaging molecules that can harm kidney cells. Additionally, red bell peppers are low in potassium, making them an excellent choice for individuals with kidney disease, as potassium levels must be carefully managed. Why they help your kidneys? Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that fight inflammation. Low in potassium, making them safe for people with kidney disease to consume. High in fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels and improve overall kidney function. How to incorporate them? Slice them raw into salads or sandwiches. Roast them in the oven for a sweet, smoky flavor. Add them to stir-fries or vegetable casseroles. 8. Garlic, a natural detoxifier. Garlic is not only a flavorful addition to your meals, but also a powerful natural remedy for kidney health. It contains sulfur compounds that have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which help reduce kidney inflammation and oxidative stress. Garlic also has natural diuretic properties, promoting better urine production and detoxifying the kidneys by flushing out toxins. Why it helps your kidney? Reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, which can damage kidney cells. Natural diuretic that helps cleanse the kidneys and promote healthy fluid balance. Contains allicin, a compound that has been shown to support kidney function and detoxification. How to incorporate it? Add fresh garlic to salads, sauces, or soups. Use it as a flavor base for sautéed vegetables or meats. Make garlic-infused olive oil and drizzle it over roasted vegetables or pasta. 7. Cauliflower, a kidney-friendly vegetable. Cauliflower is an excellent food choice for kidney health due to its low potassium content and high levels of vitamins and nutrients. It is a cruciferous vegetable that contains compounds called glucosinolates, which have been shown to reduce inflammation in the kidneys and prevent oxidative damage. Cauliflower is also rich in fiber and antioxidants, helping improve kidney function by promoting digestion and reducing toxins in the body. Why it helps your kidneys? Low in potassium, making it safe for those with kidney disease. Rich in vitamin C and fiber, which improve kidney health and promote proper digestion. Contains glucosinolates, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. How to incorporate it? Roast cauliflower florets with olive oil and spices for a healthy side dish. Add cauliflower to soups or stews as a low-calorie alternative to potatoes. Make cauliflower mash for a kidney-friendly substitute for mashed potato. 6. Berries, high in antioxidants. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. These antioxidant-rich fruits help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys, which can slow the progression of kidney disease. Berries are also high in water content, which helps keep the kidneys hydrated and flush out toxins. Why they help your kidneys? Packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, which help protect kidney cells from damage. Rich in fiber, which supports kidney function by regulating blood sugar and cholesterol levels. High water content helps promote hydration and kidney detoxification. How to incorporate them? Add berries to your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Blend them into smoothies for a nutrient-packed drink. Snack on them fresh, or use them as a topping for salads or desserts. 5. Olive oil, a healthy fat for kidney repair. Olive oil is a heart-healthy fat that provides a wide range of health benefits, including promoting kidney health. It is rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and lower the risk of kidney disease progression. Additionally, olive oil is a source of antioxidants, which protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. Why it helps your kidneys? Contains anti-inflammatory compounds that protect the kidneys from damage. Rich in monounsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation. Acts as a natural antioxidant, protecting the kidneys from oxidative damage. How to incorporate it? Use extra virgin olive oil for cooking or sautéing vegetables. Drizzle olive oil on salads, roasted vegetables, or pasta. Make homemade vinaigrettes by combining olive oil with vinegar and herbs. 4. Apples, a kidney protective snack. Apples are a convenient and nutritious snack that can support kidney health. They are rich in dietary fiber, particularly soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood sugar. Apples also contain flavonoids, which have antioxidant properties that protect the kidneys from inflammation and oxidative stress. Why they help your kidneys? High in soluble fiber, which helps reduce cholesterol and regulate blood sugar. Packed with antioxidants, including flavonoids, that reduce inflammation and oxidative damage. Low in potassium, making them safe for people with kidney disease to consume in moderation. How to incorporate them? Enjoy apples as a snack with a handful of nuts or a slice of cheese. Add sliced apples to salads or oatmeal for added sweetness. Use apples to make homemade applesauce or baked apple desserts. 3. Fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Omega-3s help protect the kidneys from inflammation and improve kidney function by reducing the buildup of harmful proteins that can damage kidney tissues. Regular consumption of fatty fish has also been linked to improved blood circulation and healthier blood pressure levels, both of which are crucial for kidney health. Why it helps your kidneys? Rich in omega-3 fatty acids that help reduce kidney inflammation and improve kidney function. Supports healthy blood pressure, which reduces strain on the kidneys. Protects against kidney damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. How to incorporate it? Grill or bake fatty fish like salmon with lemon and herbs. Add canned sardines or mackerel to salads or sandwiches. Incorporate fish into soups, stews, or pasta dishes. 2. Spinach, a nutrient-dense leafy green. Spinach is packed with essential nutrients like iron, vitamins A and C, and magnesium. While it is high in potassium, it is also an excellent source of antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. Spinach is also known to support kidney function by helping regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the buildup of waste products in the blood. Why it helps your kidneys? Packed with vitamins and minerals that support kidney function and overall health. High in antioxidants that reduce kidney inflammation and oxidative damage. Supports healthy blood sugar levels, which helps protect the kidneys from damage. How to incorporate it? Add spinach to smoothies, soups, or stews for added nutrients. Toss spinach into salads for a nutrient-packed base. Sauté spinach with garlic and olive oil for a simple side dish. 1. Sweet potatoes, a kidney-friendly carb. Sweet potatoes are a kidney-friendly carbohydrate that provides essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Unlike regular potatoes, sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic index, which means they won't cause spikes in blood sugar levels, a crucial factor for kidney health. They are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, an antioxidant that helps protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. Why they help your kidneys? Low glycemic index helps prevent blood sugar spikes and supports kidney health. Rich in beta-carotene, which acts as a powerful antioxidant to protect the kidneys. High in fiber, which supports digestion and helps lower cholesterol levels. How to incorporate them? Roast sweet potatoes for a healthy and flavorful side dish. Mash sweet potatoes with a little olive oil for a kidney-friendly alternative to mashed potatoes. Add diced sweet potatoes to soups or stews for extra flavor and nutrients. Conclusion: take charge of your kidney health. A healthy diet is one of the most effective ways to support your kidneys and prevent further damage. Incorporating these 9 kidney-healthy foods into your daily meals can significantly improve kidney function, reduce inflammation, and help repair the kidneys over time. By making these foods a regular part of your diet, you're taking proactive steps to protect your kidneys and ensure their optimal health. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on kidney health and overall wellness. Your kidneys will thank you.